Guys, today I'm on a nature walk. I went halfway through the walk because I didn't want to record me walking that long. Because I don't know. Look at that squirrel. Look it. You see? There it is right there. It ran away. Oh, it's a bird actually. It ran away. Okay. Oh, look at all the nature cute little animals. Okay. Look at that bird right there. I don't know if you can see it. Let me zoom in like really good. See that? Look at them fly away. Well, I'm going fast right now is because we're going downhill right now. So, there's a birdie in the tree. Someone ran. I don't know if you could. I don't know if you saw it because I didn't see it either. I wanna be loved by you. Nobody else but you. This might be a short video because it's like right across down here or something like that. Nobody else but you. 70 degrees right now or something. Like, spring's coming up, yay. Well, I don't want to get sick because of the pollen, but still, yay. It's finally going to be warm for once. Like, I like the cold, I like when it snows, but I'm more like warm-blooded than cold-blooded. Someone in my class is really cold-blooded. It was snowing a bit when we were in school one day, and he took off his sweater and jacket, had short sleeves underneath it, and shorts. So I was wondering how he didn't get frostbite, but it was weird. So in school today, we talked about old stuff. We talked about the 1700s. Yeah. And we also talked about, that's really all we talked about, 1700s. We talked about crops and stuff. I don't know why I have to learn about that. Like, it's not going to be helpful in life. I'm not going to be a teacher. I'm going to be a vet. It's not going to be helpful. I don't have a job yet. Because I don't want a job yet. I'm going to be a veterinarian when I grow up. If I see a toddler right there say, I'm going to be a veterinarian when I grow up, I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm going to say, why do I need to know that? And then she's going to, and if he said, in your future, you're going to see me as a vet. And like, when I'm, 70, he's going to be a vet, and he's going to be like, see, I told you. I'm like, you said 6 years from 10 years ago. No, not 10 years ago. Like, how about we say, 15 years ago. 15 years ago. So, yeah. Look, a car's gonna pass by. I bet you $2 a car's gonna pass by until I walk over it, under it. Told you. Don't know if you saw it, but I did. I don't know why I'm already bored. It's been 4 minutes and 49 seconds. Like, dude, how am I already bored? My headphones straightened up. Hold on a second. Wow, look at that. Yeah, pretty. Let's go. Spray paint. Spray paint, duh. Like, who would not spray paint right here? Feels like I'm in Atlanta for some reason. Okay, I'm back. Shadow, shadow, shadow. Feels like my shirt is like too big for me or something. Line. For some reason, line. Okay, we're almost there. I'm gonna like show you around the field, then I'm gonna end the video because I'm gonna play a game, and I'm not gonna record because I don't know. I just don't want to because I think that's gonna be enough. Why is there a swirl right there, dude? Weird. Oh no, not a hill. I'm gonna die going up this thing. Probably gonna cut the video. And I'll meet you at the top. Bye. Oh my gosh, I'm at the top now. I'm actually about to faint right now. Like, I'm tall, but my legs don't work that much, so my legs get tired easily. My breath catches easily. Whoa, I almost dropped my phone. That would be bad. Last time I dropped my phone on this road, this is a new phone. Last time I dropped my phone, it literally, so, don't want to do that again. Nope. Okay. I think we're almost there. Oh, look at that doggy. Whoa. I like the satisfying sound of the rocks. It's so like nice, like hearing it. Don't you think? I think I'm almost there. Okay, back. I tried to unpause it, but it didn't work. Oh. Okay. Let's go down. Oh, puppies. A baby? I saw that baby earlier. Okay, sorry about that. Satisfying sounds. I don't know if you can hear the rock crunching, but it's really satisfying. Nature walk. Which way? Yeah?
I thought I had a flush from beginning to end. TFT. Business to be released from within the day.
Damn.
Where's... How do you know...
We're lost. Me and my mom are lost. She's right here. We're lost. Dude. Nope. We walked this whole way for nothing.
No, we're here.
We're here? Wait, we're here? I don't know if we're lost or not. Is it over here?
There's one right there. Come here.
Oh. Okay, I'm about to end the video. But just a few more seconds. Or minutes. Because, yeah. But get off your phone. You know I'm recording right now, right? Which one are we going in? Look at the doggy over there.
Come on over here.
I don't know if you can see it. I'm coming. There's one. Got it. So can we just go in? Look at the doggy. It's about to pass by. Look at it. So cute. How many doggies on this road? What do we do, mother? Beating, beating. Whoa, beating, beating.
That's one. Let's just, you want to do it from right here? Let's do it. And that's hole one. We just have to find the platform. Huh?
Okay. Is it the platform right here? Mom, is it the platform right here?
But it says 2.
Oh. Okay. While we figure this out, I'm just going to talk to you guys. So, yeah. That was a good 12 minutes of walking. Wow. 12 minutes of... Oh. That dog just barked. I've never heard a dog bark before. Especially a dog. I'm kidding. I heard dog bark before.
Alright, this is hole 1. This is where we're shooting at first, but we gotta find the platform.
Why do we need a bag? Why do we need a bag?
So look, huh?
Why do we need a bag?
To hold our frisbees.
Oh, okay.
Have you ever thrown a frisbee before?
I have, but I'm really bad at it.
That's okay.
What is this game called again? I'm playing disc golf. It's probably a really old game. I don't know. That kid on the front doesn't look innocent to me. This platform 1? How are we supposed to shoot from all the way there?
Okay. So
How are we supposed to shoot all the way from there?
Try to see that little basket right there?
Yeah.
Well, you go as many times as you can, as you have to get it in the basket. So watch. I'll
What?
go
How are you supposed to throw it that
Watch, I'll show
far?
you. So you have different. Now listen to me. You
Yeah.
want to put this down now?
Yeah.
You want to put your thing down now?
Sure. Okay, guys, I have to go. Bye.